Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for a couple of nights from May 10 to May 11.
Good morning, ma'am. Of course, I'd be happy to assist you with that. May I have your name, please?
My name is Isha May de los Santos.
Thank you, Miss Isha de los Santos. And how many adults and children will be staying with us?
There will be 2 adults and 2 children.
Great, thank you. We have a few room options available during your stay. Would you prefer a double room or a suite room?
I think the double bedroom will be suitable for us.
Perfect choice. Now, would you like a room with smoking or non-smoking room? Or is there anything else you'd like to request for your stay?
We would prefer a room with non-smoking, please.
Noted. And may I have a contact number or email address to confirm your reservation?
Sure. My contact number is 09123-456-789 and my email address is ishamay.santos@gmail.com.
Thank you, Ms. De Los Santos. Your reservation for a couple of nights from May 10 to May 11 in a double bedroom with non-smoking room is confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation via email. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any further questions or requests before your arrival, feel free to contact us at any time. We look forward to welcoming you to the Rochester Hotel.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. How can I help you?
Hi, we have our reservation under my name, Miss De Los Santos.
May I have your confirmation letter?
Sure, this is our confirmation letter.
Thank you, Miss De Los Santos. May I see both of your valid ID, please?
Alright, these are valid ID.
Thank you, Miss De Los Santos. Your information is secured within our system. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
This is your room, sir. Enjoy your stay. It's your box, sir. Thank you so much.
Ito na. Diri kasi.
Good morning, this is the front desk. How can I help you?
Hello, good morning. Magka-complain lang kami sa room namin.
Can I get your name and the room number, sir?
My name is Anyate Patrick and my room is 214, second floor.
Can I get also your reservation details, sir?
2 days and...
3 days? 3 days, 2 nights.
3 days and 2 nights po.
And can I know what you're complaining, sir?
Magka-complain lang namin, pagpasok namin dito is madumi yung room. Then yung CR is barado siya, tapos di nagana yung flash. May naiwan pang dumi. Ayun yung complain namin.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, sir. So, tawagan lang po namin yung housekeeping department para po malaman po kung bakit po nagka-problema sa room niyo. Ibaba ko lang po yung phone, sir.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Okay na.
Hello, this is the housekeeping department.
Hello, this is the front desk. There's a problem in room 214.
What are the concerns?
Makalat daw po yung kwarto nila. Then there was a poop in the bathroom. Then the flush of the toilet was not working.
Okay, just let me check the records. Upon checking our records, it said that the room is not yet ready to occupy and the cleaning process is not yet finished.
Okay, I will search you, Mr. Onyate.
Okay.
Yan, so wakas tumawag na din.
Tumawag na. Sige na pre.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Onyate. Upon investigation po, there was an error to our housekeeping department. May kinoffer ko po na ilipat na lang po yung room nyo.
Okay, sige. Kailan yan?
Now po, sir, papunta na po ang bellboy natin.
Pakibilisan kasi kanina pa kami naghihintay.
Okay po, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience po.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I-check out na kami.
Alright. Can you please provide your name and room number, please?
My name is Onyate Patrick J. Then, my room is 240.
Alright. Let me check it for a while, sir. Alright. Your total is 4,800, sir. Would you like pay to cash or card?
Siguro card na lang, siguro.
Sure. Alright then, sir. Thank you for choosing Fisher Valley Hotel and come again.
Thank you.